WT0601, Miriam Galeria, 27 years old of age, single, vocational caregiver, 2 years experience caregiver in the Philippines. Tell me something about yourself.
Hello, I'm Miriam G. Galeria. I am 27 years old. I am a single parent. I do believe that no matter how hard the job is, as long as you are willing to learn, you can, and you'll get it.
How many hours travel going to Manila?
From my place, 2 hours.
If with children, who will take care of them?
My parents and my sister are the one who will take care of my daughter.
Tell me something about your caregiver experience in the Philippines.
My caregiver experience in the Philippines was good and I enjoyed it. I looked after newborn baby and 3-year-old kid.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, I know how to cook, not a lot. I only know the lumpiang Shanghai, but I am willing to learn more.
Are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, I am willing to take care of newborn baby.
How about the elderly?
Yes, I am willing to take care of elderly.
Do you know how to do bottle feeding?
Yes, I know how to do bottle feeding.
What are the steps of bottle feeding?
The steps of bottle feeding, first is you have to wash the bottle using the bottle brush and the nipples of that, and then you have to sterilize the bottle feeding.
If the baby still keep crying, what will you do?
If the baby is still keep crying, means there might be something wrong about the baby. So I will check the baby, and then when I found out that there's something wrong, I will immediately call my employer.
If the baby has a fever, what will you do?
If the baby has a fever, what I'll do is I will do the tepid sponge bath. Means that I'm gonna get a wet cloth and put that wet cloth on his forehead.
Do you know how to sing lullaby song?
Yes, I know how to sing lullaby song.
Give me one example.
Lullaby and good night. Close your eyes and sleep tight. Like the rose in its bed, lay down your sweet head. Go to sleep, do not cry. Soon the morning is nigh. Go to sleep, do not cry. Soon the morning is nigh.
Thank you. If you feel homesick, what will you do?
If I feel homesick, what I'll do is I'll just keep myself busy on doing things.
If one of your family members will get sick, will you break the contract?
If my family member will get sick, I'm not going to break the contract. First is because I came to work and my sisters are at house to look after my parents.
What could you teach the children?
What I can teach to the children I'm looking after is, well, I can teach them the basic English I know, and I can teach them how to sing and other educational things.
How long can you work in Hong Kong, and why Hong Kong?
I choose Hong Kong because I like the salary they offer, and as long as my employer likes me to stay there, then I'll stay.
Give your message to Bison employer.
To my future employer, if ever you will like me, I will do my best to do my job, and I'll do it.
Okay, thank you very much.